chopsticks, I love them chopsticks.
Alright guys, I'll be here back again with another video, and today is gonna basically be an unboxing or a review of the Apple Airpods 2. I'm basically gonna be showing you guys what's inside when you unbox it, what you get, the differences between the first generation and the second generation, and I'm also gonna be telling you why you should buy this, or is it worth your money, you know. Alright, see you guys in the video later. Alright guys, and welcome back to the unboxing. As you can see, the first thing you get as soon as you open the box are the instructions, which come in different languages, so you guys shouldn't have any problem understanding them. Next thing, we have the charging case, small little thing, satisfying. drop it. Alright, next thing, we have the charging cable, which helps you to charge the charging case. Let's drop that also. Let's take a closer look now at the charging case. Mine doesn't come with the wireless charging capabilities. That's why it doesn't have a small green light in front, but like it comes with everything else that comes with the new one. The orange light basically helps you to know that it is charging, while the green light helps you to know that it is fully charged. All right, let's put that down for now. Now I'm gonna show you guys a full landscape of everything you get in the box, just so you can move to the end here, just to show you guys how it looks on here. Also, I'm gonna be telling you guys if I like it, what I'm using it for right now, or if I'm gaining any good use from it. See, as you can see, comparing the AirPods to my finger, it's pretty small. It's not even that heavy at all, and you can see my 1 month use and analysis to show what I think about it. I really think it's a good product, and Apple got a good one here. And welcome back to my video. Out of this video, you guys decide on which one you're gonna go with. I went with the normal one because I really don't use the wireless charging capabilities, even though I have wireless charging pad for my iPhone, and I really don't use that, so you can see where I'm coming from. Alright, you guys don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to also tell me which one you guys get, or you guys have decided to get, in the description, in the comment box below. See you guys later. Bye.